Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at one of my favorite brands, Buxom. The Buxom Wanderlust Collection is made of 6 different limited edition full-on lip creams and also 6 primer-infused blushes. So for the lip creams, it's the same best-selling formula that we all know and love. I've loved it for a really long time, but they released 6 new tropical-themed tones that are really pretty. I'm actually wearing this one right now, which is called Seychelles. It's just a nice nude, and I love the formula because they have a high gloss finish. They do plump your pout really gently, and on top of that, they give you almost like a refreshing tingle, and these actually have a hint of coconut, which just brings you back to that relaxing island vibe. Moving on to the blushes, these blushes are actually gonna help extend your vacation glow with multi-dimensional pearls for a luminous just off the beach look. As I mentioned, they're primer infused, which means they actually have primer inside of them, so they're gonna help improve your wear time, and on top of that, also just blend out super smooth and seamlessly. Plus, they have a really nice subtle beach scent to them, which releases when you apply. And with 6 shades, they're really flattering for any skin tone, so you're gonna be blushing all year round. New Year's Eve is only a few days away, so we're hooking you guys up with makeup with staying power that is gonna get you through midnight and beyond. So first off, we have these Lottie London AM to PM Kohl eyeliner pencils in black and mocha. These are really long wearing and they have a gel-like finish. They apply super nice and smoothly. You can see there's a lot of pigment in here. So that's the black shade. And then there's also this mocha shade right here that is beautiful. Each of these is gonna make your eye makeup pop, plus last all night long. And they glide on really easily. They're comfortable to wear. They're easy to wear, and they actually have a sharpenable pencil too. Next up, dry shampoo. It's definitely a girl's best friend when you're dealing with dirty hair or trying to make your clean hair last as long as possible. This is the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. It's really great for cleansing oily hair and absorbing that oil, and it also eliminates odors, so we got you covered. Another essential for really making your makeup last all day is a setting spray, so I wanted to mention this one right here. This is the Ofra Cosmetics Makeup Fixer Setting Spray. This one's awesome because it's actually enriched with aloe vera, chamomile flower, and also vitamin E, so it gives you a lot of moisture while you're using it. Plus, on top of that, it's actually protecting your skin from environmental damage and making your makeup last all day, so you're kind of getting like the best of both worlds. And of course, we need a good setting powder to set that makeup in place. I'm a huge fan of baking, and I feel like baking is such a great technique to use when you want your makeup to last all day long because it almost creates an armor for your makeup and it really sets everything in place. I wanted to recommend the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. It's amazing because it has a very silky, lightweight texture, so you can easily bake with it, and it is available in 3 different finishes, and like I said, it's just gonna make your makeup last all day long. This one is actually infused with hyaluronic acid, so it gives you a little bit of moisture in there so that your under eyes don't get dry or cakey. And then moving on, we need a mascara that's not gonna flake and clump and get all crazy. So this is the Tarte Maneater long wearing mascara. Like I said, no flaking or clumping, and it has lash strengthening jojoba, and it actually has over 500 flexible bristles inside of the wand here, inside of the applicator, so it's really gonna latch onto your lashes and just give you the most amount of volume and length possible without those clumps. So one tip that I have for really keeping your makeup on and in place all day is trying not to touch your face with your hands, because your hands actually have natural oils, but also oils and bacteria from like other things that we touch, like food, desks, our phones. Like it starts to build oil and bacteria, so that can actually start to break down your makeup on your face if you're continuously touching your face. So don't do that, and your makeup will be lasting all day long. So let us know if you have any tips for making your makeup last through midnight in the comment section below. I'm Roxette Arisa, and thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing, happy, safe, and joyful New Year's.